see me? Come on. Okay.
I want to teach you the dance.
So many of you all are wondering what I'm doing with my hands. I'm signing, okay? So I'm talking and signing at the same time. It might not be perfect because it's two different languages done at the same time. So please bear with me if I'm a little bit slow or I make errors, okay? So please thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. So this video is how to apply foundation for oily skin. So get your beauty blender, your foundation, and all the tools ready for this lesson. First thing is moisturize. Your face needs moisture. So even if you don't want your face to be oily, you still need to moisturize your face. But now the question is, what kind of moisturizer? So what I use is this. This is good. I have the moisture I need so my face don't feel dry. You don't want to have your makeup and your face feel so dry, like no. Your face needs to feel light and moisturized, but still it should look matte. Not a lot, just a tiny bit. The next thing you want to use is powder. This and this. I like this better because this is not very dry. This is very dry. So if your skin is really oily, like all dripping, okay, you can use this one. But if your skin is not that oily, use this one, please. Or you can use another powder that is not very dry. Okay, use this. I'm always oily here, 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 here. So you put it especially on areas where you're very oily. So here. So now we'll go ahead to the next step. I'll leave the powder on for few minutes so it really soaks on my oily skin. So you just wait for a few minutes when you feel like it's absorbed on your face. So after a few minutes, I've waited for about 5 minutes, you do it again the second time. Again. So now you have to find the right foundation for your skin. So because you and I are oily skin, you need to find a foundation that says matte, and it says for oily skin. So don't go and pick a foundation that it says dewy foundation. So if you notice, the powder has absorbed in my skin, so I'm gonna put some more before I apply my foundation. Okay, so like I was saying, you have to use a matte foundation. And if you see a foundation that says dewy, no, it's oily, so you don't want to use that foundation. So if it says matte or oily for oily skin, you need to use that foundation. Okay, so I will use this. It says matte here. Please ignore my nails, okay? Matte and poreless. I just put it on my beauty blender. It's damp, so you want it damp. So don't use a lot. If you use a lot, it will be too much. So use a little bit on top, just a little. So I finished applying my foundation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my powder on top of the foundation. So you use it 2 times, before and after. So now I use the Fit Me powder. So the same as the foundation, but this, you see, it says normal to oily. I use my beauty blender and just rub it and like that. It's maybe a little bit looking white, but after a few minutes it's gonna absorb to your skin. So just apply not too much, but you know, enough on your face. So this is how you apply your foundation on your oily skin. Simple explanation on how to make your foundation look matte and flawless. So this is it now, as you can see. Looks matte. I will be back after 2 hours or 3 hours to show you all how it looks without, touch up. Okay guys, before hours since I did my makeup, and this is how it looks. You see, it's starting to get oily here, but it's not to the point where you can see the oil on your hand. You can, like, you can't really see it, but my face still looks mattifying. So you see, this is basically how you can put on your foundation without it looking cakey and without it looking very oily. Okay, if you enjoyed this video and you've learned something from this video, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and share to other people so they can learn how to do their makeup on their oily skin without it looking cakey or oily. Thank you for watching to the end. You guys are the beauty family. Please share to other people so they can learn how to put on their foundation on their oily skin and still look flawless. Okay, thank you. Peace.